Okay. This is lesson 3.3, solving inequalities using multiplication or division, page 180, problem 3, dividing by a positive number. You walk dogs in your neighborhood after school. You earn $4.50 per dog. How many dogs do you need to walk to earn at least 75? So if you wanted to know how much you were going to make, you would multiply the $4.50 times however many dogs you walked. So if we already know that we're doing $75, it's going to be $4.50 times D for number of dogs. Relate, define, write. Here's the relationship. Cost per dog times number of dogs is what you want to make. So D is your number of dogs. That's your defining your variable. $4.50 times D is greater than or equal to 75. It says she wants to earn at least 75. At least means more than. More than or equal to, I should say. At least means as long as it's 75 or higher, she's happy. Okay? So 450D greater than 75, greater than or equal to. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide both sides by 450. This is exactly the same as solving any other equation. It does not matter that it's an inequality. So you're going to divide 450 on both sides, and you get 16 2/3. Now that would be silly, walking 2/3 of a dog. I'm not sure how you would pull that off. So if D is the number of dogs, it must be positive. So you're going to have to walk at least 17 in order to get the 75 that you want. Okay, so the got it. A, the student club plans to buy food for a soup kitchen. Okay, so vegetables cost $10.68. They can spend at most $50. At most means anything up to. They can't go over $50. Okay, so what are the possible numbers of cases? Relate, number of cases of vegetables times the cost per case must be less than $50. So we're going to let V be the number of cases of vegetables that we're going to buy. So 1068 times however many cases we buy has to be less than or equal to 50. We can't go over $50. So 1068 V, you're going to divide both sides by 1068. Remember, the opposite of multiplication is division. So 50 divided by 1068 gives you 4.68. You can't round this one up to 5 because that would go over the $50. So since we have to stay under $50, we're going to round this down. We can only afford to buy 4 cases. Part B, sorry. Oh, where'd I go? Come back here. I'm confused. I'm up here. Okay, so for part B, it says, why did you round it to the greater whole number? Here, we wanted more than 75. So if we had rounded that down to 16, it would not have been $75. You certainly can't walk 2/3 of a dog. So we had to round that one up. This one, we can't afford to round this up. We don't have enough money. Because if we rounded that up to 5, it'd be $53 and some cents. And we don't have that. We only have $50.